Medicine preparation. Production of antibiotic is naturally occurring event. Advance in science has made it possible to produce in laboratory. Due to discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming and the efforts of Florey and Chen in 1938, large-scale pharmaceutical production of antibiotic has been made possible. So from here we have a knowledge that microbes have a great role in production of medical antibiotics. In the early years of antibiotic discovery and antibiotic being discovered were naturally produced antibiotic and were either produced by fungi such as antibiotic penicillin or by soil bacteria which can produce antibiotic influencing streptomycin and tetracycline. Erythromycin is produced by what was called Streptomycin erythraeus and is now known as Saccharopolysporia erythraea. Streptomycin is produced by Streptomyces gyraeus and tetracycline is produced by Streptomycin aurifacines. Vaccination. What is vaccination? Is a killed microbe in order to stimulate the immune system against microbe, thereby preventing disease. Vaccination is immunization work by stimulating the immune system and natural disease fighting system of the body. To immunize against viral disease, the virus used in vaccination have been weakened to killed, and this effective immunization can improve by periodic repeat injection or boosters, also called vaccine. And the last not but the least, microbes have a great role in waste disposal. They are mainly used in bioremediation, in process the degradation of the microbes and degradation of the microbes that causes harmful to the human being. The process called biodegradation or bioremediation. Microbes are nutrient and chemical substances. Microbes used in nutrient and chemical substances found in environment for their own survival. The nutrient form the breakdown of this product are free in environment to feed plant and algae, which in turn feed all the animal.